Good morning everyone. Today we are camping at Hala Rycerzowa, just 30 minutes hike from Polish-Slovakian border. We will be hiking today to Pilsko first and then later to place called Rysianka. Mihal, what is the place name that we are hiking today?
Hey,
Yeah.
so final destination is Rysianka, but in the middle of the road we need to visit Pilsko.
We're walking around the border of Slovakia and Poland right now.
That mountain
Yeah.
is direction to Rysianka. So we need to go like the bottom and then to the up.
Okay. At the moment we are descending from Pilsko and hiking towards Rysianka. Finally, after hiking around 2 hours, we are at Hala Rysianka and we are assembling our tent for the night.
We was a little bit focused on the destination.
Yeah.
It's really nice view.
If you guys would like to know further information about this camping trip, please do check my captions below. Thank you.